Are you tired of the same old fall decor? Do you want to transform your mantle into a cozy autumn masterpiece but don't know where to start? Imagine walking into your living room and instantly feeling the warmth and beauty of fall. What if I told you that with just a few simple tweaks, you could turn your mantle into the ultimate fall focal point? Stay tuned, because in today's video, I'm going to share some stunning fall mantle decor ideas that will make your space feel like the perfect autumn haven. Ready to get inspired? What's the simplest way to create a fall-themed mantle without breaking the bank? To create a fall-themed mantle without breaking the bank, start by using items you already own. Look around your home for decor pieces that can be repurposed, such as glass jars, vases, or candle holders. Fill these with natural elements like pine cones, dried leaves, acorns, or branches, which you can easily collect from your backyard. DIY projects are another budget-friendly option. Craft your own garlands or wreaths using inexpensive materials like twine and faux foliage. If you need additional items, consider shopping at thrift stores or dollar stores where you can find affordable pumpkins, gourds, or faux fall flowers. You can also recycle or upcycle old decor by giving it a fresh coat of paint in fall colors like orange, brown, or gold. Finally, remember that sometimes less is more. A minimalist approach with a few well-placed items can create a stunning fall mantle without the need for excessive spending. For more seasonal decor inspiration, check out the playlist in the description. You'll find tons of ideas to make your home cozy this fall. How can I make my fall mantle stand out with unique decor pieces? To make your fall mantle stand out with unique decor pieces, start by incorporating DIY projects that add a personal touch. Craft your own garlands from twine and artificial leaves, or create a custom chalkboard sign with a fall-themed quote. Using vintage or heirloom items like old lanterns, rustic picture frames, or antique vases can give your mantle a one-of-a-kind feel. Textural elements such as burlap, velvet, or woven fabrics add depth and richness, making the display more visually interesting. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Incorporate unconventional items like artisanal pottery, handcrafted candles, or even unique collectibles. Thoughtful layering is key. Mix and match different heights and shapes to create a dynamic arrangement. Finally, add personal touches like family photos, customized items, or handmade crafts that reflect your style and make the mantle truly yours. These unique elements will ensure your fall mantle stands out and becomes a focal point in your home. Don't miss out on more home decor tips. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you're the first to know when new videos drop. What colors should I incorporate into my fall mantle decor? When decorating your fall mantle, focus on using colors that evoke the warmth and coziness of the season. Traditional fall colors such as orange, deep reds, mustard yellows, and earthy browns should form the foundation of your palette. These rich hues instantly bring the essence of autumn into your home. To create balance, consider using neutral shades like beige, cream, or gray as a backdrop. These neutral tones help the vibrant fall colors stand out while maintaining a calming effect. To add a modern twist, incorporate accent colors like teal, navy, or plum. These unexpected hues can give your mantel a contemporary edge while still complementing the autumn theme. Additionally, using metallics like gold, bronze, or copper can introduce a touch of elegance and sophistication to your decor. Don't forget to layer different tones within the same color family, such as combining various shades of orange or brown to add depth and visual interest. By thoughtfully selecting and layering these colors, you can create a harmonious and inviting fall mantel that captures the spirit of the season. Love the decor pieces in this video? Check the description for links to the exact products I use so you can recreate the look at home. How do I create a balanced look for my fall mantel? Achieving balance in your fall mantel decor is all about layering and symmetry. Start with larger anchor pieces on either side, such as tall vases, lanterns, or candlesticks. Fill in the middle with smaller items like pumpkins, candles, or small picture frames to create a cohesive look. Incorporate varying heights and sizes to add visual interest. Stack books or use risers to elevate certain items. A large mirror, a piece of fall-themed art, or even a wreath centered above the mantel can help tie everything together. Ensure that colors and textures are evenly distributed to maintain harmony across the display. If you loved these fall mantel decor ideas, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could use some autumn inspiration. How can I incorporate natural elements into my fall mantel decor? Incorporating natural elements into your fall mantel decor can create a warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects the beauty of the season. Start by gathering seasonal foliage such as autumn leaves, branches, and berries, which can be arranged along the mantel or placed in vases. Pine cones and acorns can be scattered around the display to add a rustic, woodland feel. Natural wood elements like candle holders, picture frames, or even pieces of driftwood bring in earthy tones and textures, enhancing the organic vibe. Pumpkins, gourds, and squashes are quintessential fall decorations. Choose real ones in various sizes and colors to add vibrancy and a sense of harvest. Got any fall decor tips or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Dried flowers and herbs such as sunflowers, wheat stalks, or lavender can be placed in small bouquets or wreaths to add a touch of rustic charm. Additionally, using natural fabrics like linen, burlap, or cotton for runners or cloths on the mantel can soften the look and tie the natural theme together. Finally, smooth stones or pebbles placed in decorative bowls or trays add a grounding element, completing your nature-inspired fall mantel. Want more fall decorating ideas? Check the description for links to similar videos that will keep the autumn vibes going. There you have it. With these easy and creative fall mantel decor ideas, you can effortlessly bring the cozy vibes of autumn into your home. Whether you're using items you already own, DIY projects, or natural elements, your mantel will be the star of your living room this fall. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give your mantel the fall makeover it deserves. Don't forget to share your mantel transformations with me in the comments.